Free people ought not only to be armed and disciplined, but they should have sufficient arms and ammunition to maintain a status of independence from any who might attempt to abuse them, which would include their own government. Firearms are second only to the Constitution in importance. They are the people's liberty's teeth. When firearms go, all go. We need them every hour. The very atmosphere of firearms anywhere and everywhere restrains evil interference, and they deserve a place of honor with all that is good. George Washington. The beauty of the Second Amendment is that it will not be needed until they try to take it. No man shall ever be debarred the use of arms. The strongest reason for the people to retain the right to keep and bear arms is, as a last resort, to protect themselves against tyranny and government. Thomas Jefferson. To disarm the people is the best and most effectual way to enslave them. George Madison. The best we can hope for concerning the people at large is that they be properly armed. Alexander Hamilton. The Constitution is not an instrument for the government to restrain people. It is an instrument for the people to restrain the government, lest it come to dominate our lives and interests. Patrick Henry. Americans have the right and advantage of being armed, unlike citizens of other countries whose governments are afraid to trust the people with arms. James Madison. The Constitution shall never be construed to prevent the people of the U.S. from keeping their own arms. Samuel Adams. Protect your Second Amendment rights. In response to these unconstitutional actions by the President, join us as we stand together in defiance to protect the right that protects all of our rights, the Second Amendment. To quote Ronald Reagan, "You won't get gun control by disarming law-abiding citizens. There's only one way to get real gun control. Disarm the thugs and the criminals, lock them up, and if you don't actually throw away the key, at least lose it for a long time. It's a nasty truth, but those who seek to inflict harm are not fazed by gun controllers. I happen to know this from personal experience." Ronald Reagan. Protect your Second Amendment rights. Hold an event in your area. We have signs and flyers ready to go. Just send us your info and we'll fill in the dates and times and locations and send them back to you. Signs and posters are free, ready to print. For more information on coming events, please contact Andy at go-patriots.com or Mary at mary-stevens.com.